So, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. So, as a part of our discussion in foundation course, today I am going to start averages, mixtures, and allegations. Till now, I have dealt about ratio, proportions, and percentages. Today, I will start new topic averages, mixtures, and allegations as I said in module number 1. Now observe here, this averages, mixtures and allegations is a common topic where you can use in various concepts, likewise in profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, time, speed, distance. Now today I will show how to use these concepts in various chapters, right? So time and again I am saying the same thing, right? Iconic have got huge blockbuster in UPSC. Later on it was started in all higher end courses likewise GATE, CAT, right? Now what is the difference between iconic and plus? So the things what you will get in plus are live classes, crash courses, right? RIB, which is exclusively for creators, doubt solving groups, English and Hindi batches. Apart from this, what you get on plus in iconic, you will get a personal coach. Now this personal coach will analyze you, will see your strength, weakness. Based upon your strengths and weakness, he will give a steady plan. So with which topic you have to start, then next what topic you have to go. For each topic you will get instant the best study material. For every topic you will get summary sessions, right? Short notes. For every test you will get analysis, right? Where you are going wrong, how to rectify it, how to boost your score, all these things. So for plus, how much you have to invest for GATE and ESE? Now this is 1650 rupees per month. So a normal primary class mathematics tuition will be having more price than this, right? You will get India's the best IITians to teach for you. So by using my code NLN 10, you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 27,225. This is for 18 and 24 months. For iconic, it will be 45,225 after 10% discount. Now, what do you get by using my code? Apart from 10% discount, you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. And not only me, my entire group guidance, right from Ankit sir, Bhima sir, Kamesh sir, right, finally to me. Right. Now, download the Unacademy app. So, I am going to start verbal course on Unacademy special class from Monday, January 11th, and the link is in the comment section box. Click it and enroll for the course. From Jan 11th, 12:30 noon, I will start this course. Now this is the link to follow me on Unacademy. So please use this. From simple basics, I will start the things. And the first 2 seasons of Unacademy Combat was huge blockbuster. On Jan 12th, the next combat will be starting. You can enroll for it by using my code NLN10, and you can compete with the solutions what educators have done, and you can give your best solutions and get prizes for it. And these are the best batches started right now on Unacademy. Right from January 11th, I am going to start ESE and also for GATE new batch. Do try to enroll for it. So let's not waste our time. I will straight away start the topic. Now today's topic is about averages, mixtures and allegations. Now first of all, I will go with the concept called average. So in your primary classes, everybody have learnt a concept called simple average. Am I right or wrong? Can anybody say the definition of simple average in the comment section box? I think the interest have decreased down to large, it seems. Simple average. First day there are 40 students. Now there are only 10 students, right? Now what is the exact definition of simple average? Can anybody say? See here. Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. Am I right or wrong? Everybody have learned this concept in your primary classes. Sum of the terms divided by number of terms. So for my convenience, what I will do is I will write down this number of terms as n. and simple average as SA. Now to find out sum of terms, so you normally do what you do, sum is equal to crisscross, right? Simple average into number of terms will give you sum of terms. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is a simple concept that you have learned in your primary classes. Now let us see with an example how it changes in different topics. Now randomly I gave you some numbers, likewise this 2 comma 5 comma 3 6 9 7 1 4 8. Now observe here, this is 1. Now please let me know the simple average of this given numbers. Can anybody in the comment section box? What you normally do is you add all these numbers. Am I right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So what is your simple average? Sum of the terms is nothing but 45. Am I right or wrong? How many number of terms are there? 9 terms are there. So your simple average is how much? Is it 5? Yes, perfectly. This is 5. Now this is what you do in your primary classes. Okay. So as you are not in primary classes, let's little bit increase our concept. Now if I give you the same random series of numbers in a class, now this is not your simple average class. Now if this is a statistics class, now what will you do? What is the first step that you will follow there? If it is a statistics class, if I give you this random series of numbers, then what will you do? What is the first step that you will follow there? Please let me know in the comment section box. First of all, you will arrange these numbers into either increasing order or decreasing order. Am I right or wrong? So increasing order is very convenient. So I will do what I will do. I will arrange these numbers in increasing order. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 7 8 9. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is the first step that you will do in the statistics class. Now the next step is you will divide the numbers into two equal halves. Yes, I have divided the numbers into two equal halves. Now the middlemost number is called what in statistics? You call this number as median. Am I right or wrong? Median matlab middlemost number. अरे यार अब देखो, in simple average you call the same 5 as simple average, simple average class. In statistics class you are calling the same 5 as median. So you have not done anything there, right? You didn't added the numbers, you didn't divided the numbers, you didn't find out anything, but you got the answer median there. Is this nothing but called refinement of approach? Yes. Now let us refine little bit more. Now I gave the same series of numbers 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6 7. So little bit you have to learn the concept there. 9. Now let me know if this is a number series class. Now what type of number series is this? Already I have discussed this with you in the previous classes. Am I right or wrong? In ratio, proportions and variation. You must not miss this, right? In number series class. What type of number series is this? Can anybody say? Please let me know what type of number series is this. Now closely observe there. The difference between the first and second number is +1. Right? The difference between second and third number is +1. Now the difference between third and fourth number is again +1. Now by this what can I say? If there is additive change, if there is additive change or subtractive change. Now if you arrange these numbers in decreasing order, automatically what happens? 9 comma 8 comma 7 -1 happens the difference. Am I right? So if there is an additive change or subtractive change between the given numbers in the series, then that type of then that type of numbers are called. Can anybody say what type of series is this? Is this arithmetic progression? Please let me know, yes or no. Is this arithmetic progression? Yes, this is arithmetic progression. Am I right or wrong? So now see here, the same random series of numbers we have dealt in three different ways. One is simple average in the previous slide. Second one is statistics, and the third one is arithmetic progression. Yes. Now, let me know. In arithmetic progression, the term you have to find out is arithmetic mean. What is this arithmetic mean? Can anybody say what is arithmetic mean? So these are the terms that you have to learn. Arithmetic mean is nothing but what? First term plus last term divided by 2 is nothing but called arithmetic mean. Now what is the first term there? Can anybody say? First term is 1. Last term is 9. 1 plus 9 by 2 is this your answer 5? Yes, your answer is 5. Arey yaar, the same 5 in the previous slide you spoke it as simple average, you spoke it as median. Right now you are speaking this as arithmetic mean. Three different topics but the same answer. So is this nothing but called refinement of approach? So as we are dealing arithmetic progression, I will write down the general series of arithmetic progression also here. Right. So see here, if the first term of the arithmetic progression is A, done. As the series is increasing, what I will do, this additive or subtractive change, I will take it as D, which you call it as common difference. As it is increasing, I am adding. If it is decreasing, you can do A minus D. So additive things will be very easy to understand. So that's why I am writing this. Now see here, 3 happens, A plus 2 into 1 will give you this. So this is third term. So on. Your last term will be how much? A plus. So see here, third term, here 2 will be there. At last, finally, your answer will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now, this is called Tnth term in an arithmetic progression. Yes, perfectly done. Now, how will you find out the sum of the arithmetic progression? Now, can I write down like this? Sum is equal to sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression. Already you have done in the previous slide. How to find out sum? How to find out sum is equal to simple average into number of terms. Now, in the place of simple average in arithmetic progression, you call the same thing as arithmetic mean. Now see here, in the place of simple average, write down arithmetic mean. What is your arithmetic mean? First term plus last term. What is your first term? A. What is your last term? A plus n minus 1 into D divided by 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe this. Into number of terms. How many number of terms are there? N number of terms are there. Finally, will you get this formula what you observe in your textbooks? N by 2 into N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Am I right? I think I am clear regarding this explanation. Yes, perfectly done. So this is what your arithmetic progression. Now let us increase little bit our concept, then we will solve the questions. Now, when you closely observe there, in your textbooks or in your statistics textbooks, will the data will be like this, randomly scattered numbers are given here. Now, will this be given in your textbooks? No, nobody will give you randomly scattered numbers. Now, if you are asked to find out the average weight of the people living in Hyderabad, you cannot count each and every value and divide it, right? So, you will be given a group data, right? How will you calculate a group data? Now, let's see that. Now see here, I will give you like this. So number of men in a colony or in a city, right? Number of men, I will take it as x1 number. Now number of women, or I'll take it as girls. in a city, I will take it as x2 number of girls are there. Now see here, now what I have given here is, I have given the average weight of the boys or men. So the average weight of the boys, I will be giving it as M1. Now average weight of the girls is M2. Right? Now I have asked you to find out the average weight of the city. Y represents average weight of the city. Now how will you find out there? Let me know the way. So first of all, if you have to find out the average weight of the city, you have to know sum of the weights of the total persons in the city in the numerator divided by number of persons in the city. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept this? Yes. So already you know number of persons in the city is x1 number of boys and x2 number of girls. Yes, perfectly done. Now see here how to find. Now see here, number into average will give you sum. This is what we have seen in the first slide. Am I right or wrong? Simple average into number will give you sum. Yes, perfectly done. So see here, m1 into x1 is nothing but sum of the weights of the total boys. So I'll write down here m1 x1. Now plus, now multiply this, m2 into x2 is nothing but the total sum of the weights of the girls in the city, m2 x2. Now did you got the same answer there? Now is this the formula to find out the average weight of the total city? Now see here, I have not given a single number there. So this is called grouped data, right? You are given with an organized grouped data. Now this is called weighted average. In the previous case we call it as simple average, random numbers. Now you call the same thing as weighted average. Right. Now when you closely observe there, this weighted average can be calculated by using a simple concept called alligation rule. Now the term itself is saying that it is rule. Rule matlab it is formed, you have to follow it, and it is applicable generally for all the questions. So I'll explain the alligation rule there in the next slide, then we'll go for the questions. Now the same concept I will change like this. How alligation rule is used in different concept, I will explain. Alligation rule. Now this is a powerful tool which can be useful in major topics, right? So focus on this. What is this alligation rule? So the same weighted average concept I'll change in this format. Now the same thing, average weight of the men, you took it as m1. Average weight of the girls, you took it as m2. Yes, now what you have done, you have clubbed this boys and girls, men and girls, right? And you said that the average weight of the city as y. Up they go. I'll write down. So this is the alligation rule format. Okay, now see here, m1. So you have to follow the same arrow marks. M1, how many number of men are there? X1 number of men are there. So how many number of girls are there? X2 number of girls are there. Okay. Now by alligation rule, so see here, follow this arrow mark. I'll write down in writing. So follow this arrow mark. So this is the procedure to follow, right? So on this arrow mark, what I am writing is subtraction, minus. Here also minus. Up they go here. Now follow this exact arrow mark. M1 minus y is equal to x2. Right? M1 minus y is equal to x2. Follow the exact arrow mark. Now see here, follow this arrow mark. X1 is equal to y minus m2. Right? Done. I think I am clear regarding this. Yes, Satvik. Yes, Suraj. Very good. Very good. Right. Right. Now observe here. Crisscross this. Crisscross this. Now let me know if you crisscross this. Sorry, ma, I'm not checking the comment section box. Right now I have checked it. Very good. M1. The problem here is in Android phone, the comments will be expressed later here. That's the major problem. Yx2 minus m2x2. Now rearrange this. M1x1 plus m2x2 is equal to y into x1 plus x2. Now you will get the same formula what you have done in the previous slide. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. You got the same answer what you have done in the previous slide. Yes, you got the same answer. Yes, you might get a doubt. Sir, can I keep my arrow mark like this? Yes, you can keep your arrow mark like this. You will get the same answer, right? So your aim is to this arrow mark directions, right? You can change in any ways of your choice, but your aim is to x1 and x2 must be positive values. You must not get negative values there, right? X1 and x2 has to be positive values. That is the main aim. So you can change your arrow mark direction. That will not be a big deal, right? Now see here how this alligation rule is used in different concepts. I will explain that. So shall we solve some questions? We will start solving some questions and then you can get a better clarity. Yeah, Suraj, Pavan, Satvik, very good. Suraj, yes, very good, very good. So let's start solving. So I will explain two questions. The third question must be done by you. Right now, this is the question asked. Now observe here. I will solve it in a class of, and again one more point, right? In simple average, one more point I have to explain you. I'll explain that now. Closely observe there. What is the exact meaning of simple average? Now you got your simple average as 5. मतलब what you are doing is, now देखो तुम्हारे पास, I mean you have 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 up to 9. So take all the numbers, now mix it and make it as a single ball. Now take 9 fives. 9 fives are 45. Am I right or wrong? So you are mixing it and taking equal number of quantities there. Now average is nothing but, see here, distributing the number equally to all the numbers. That is nothing but average. Is it right? Closely observe there. Is this the main concept there? Yes, perfectly. Average is nothing but this. This is the what the, see here. Add this all together, you are getting 45. Now you are sharing average equally to all the numbers. That is called the simple concept of average. Right. Very good. So we will use this simple concept to solve many questions there. Now what is the question asked? Now they go. In a class of 20 students, the average age decreases by 2 years when a new student joins. 3 more students whose ages are 12, 13, 17 years join. The ratio of new average to the original average is P by Q, where P, Q are co-prime numbers, it seems. Okay, co-prime integers. Already I have explained you what are co-prime integers. So in between P, Q there must be only one common factor, and that is called 1. Except 1 there must be no common factor. And integers, no fraction values. Clear. Now देखो, let us consider the number of students n as 20 students. Okay, and I will take my simple average as A. Now what happened? So a new student joined, it seems. Now see here, then my sum will be equal to 20 into A. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now what happened? N became 21. Now my simple average have became what? Is it A minus 2 presently? Yes. Now my sum will be how much? Now my sum will be how much? 21 into A minus 2. Yes, perfectly. I'm writing it directly. Now, what happened again? 3 more students whose ages are 12, 13, 17 have joined. Now, already you know for this 21 student, the sum is 21A minus 42. Am I right or wrong? This is the sum. Now, how many students have joined right now? Please let me know. Plus 12, plus 13, plus 17. Am I right or wrong? Let me know this. divided by how many number of students are there? 21. 3 more students are joined. 21 plus 3, is it 24? Is this nothing but new simple average? Yes, perfectly. Now let me know the answer there. 20 because 12 plus 13 plus 7 is how much, ma? Is it 42? So 42 will get cancelled. So the average is 21a by 24. This is a new average. So the new average is given as P. Original average Q is given as how much? Is it A? Yes. Now you are asked to find out P by Q values. So P by Q can be written as 21A by 24 and automatically Q is A. Am I right? Cancel all those things and let me know the answer. Is it 7 by 8? Yes, your P value is 7 and your Q value is 8. All consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. In between 7 comma 8 there will be no common factor except 1. And your P plus Q value will be how much? Will it be 15? Am I right or wrong? Will you accept this? Please let me know in the comment section box, yes or no. Have you got the answer there? Yes. So please be active, right? I'm checking the comments in different phones, right? Yes, Suraj, very good. And this is your answer. As simple as that. So after that, I will show the technique to solve. Don't worry about it. Now see here. This is the question asked in one of the examinations. Right. The average scores of 40 innings of Dhoni is 50. Okay. So number of innings, N value is 40. And simple average of the 40 innings is given as 50. I think I am clear. The highest score is 174 more than the least score. So I will take like this. My least score. Now first of all focus on the procedure, then I will show the technique. I will take my least score as X. My highest score will be how much? Please let me know this. My highest score will be 174 plus X. If those two are removed, then the average of the remaining 38 innings is 48, it seems. How much is the least score is the question asked. Done. I think I am clear regarding this. Yes. Now, if you multiply this, you will get the sum, which is nothing but 2000. Now see here, now new average is 40, new number is 38 and new simple average is 48. Now, if you multiply this, you will get the number there. Now, what is the number there? Please let me know the answer there. Now, exactly observe here. This is the sum 2000. Yes, very good. In this sum, you have removed X. You have removed 174 plus X. Right now, divided by 38, I will remove this 30, move this 38 to here. 38 into 40. 48. Now upon solving all those things, you will get your X value as 1. What is the least score is the question asked and your least score is 1. This is the question asked. Very good, Sanjana. Excellent. Right. Now as I solve these two questions, now you have to solve this question which was asked in TCS examination this year based on simple averages. Let me know. So I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. I mean 2 minutes is more than enough. You need only 1 minute to solve this. Let me know the answer for this. 3 friends, yes, Satvik, very good. A comma B comma C went for weekend party, not end, END. Don't worry, my DDP operators mistakes. Any answer, Satvik? 40 seconds more. Satvik, Sanjana, Suraj, Pavan. 30 seconds more. A 88.5. Very good. What about remaining persons? Satvik have answered. Suraj, 10 seconds more. Is it A correct? That's an easy one. If you can represent the question perfectly, then you can easily answer this. Yes, Satvik, right. Very good. Right. Now, देखो, three friends A comma B comma C went for weekend party to McDonald's restaurant, and there they measure their weights in some order in 7 rounds. A comma A separately, B separately, and C separately. I'll write down like this: A separately, B separately. Yes, Manohar, very good. B, C separately, plus A and B together. Next, B and C together. Next, A and C together. Next, A, B, C together, all together once. So the final round of measure is 156 kg. The A plus B plus C is given there. So totally how many rounds have happened? Please let me know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 rounds. Now how many A's are there here? If you count there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write down like this: 4 A's are there. Similarly, 4 B's are there. Similarly, 4 C's are there. Very good. Divided by 7. And the question here is A plus B plus C weight is given as 155 kg. Yes, Manohar, very good. So the point here is solve this, you will get the answer as 88.5. That's an easy one. This is the question asked in the previous TCS examination. Right. So chalo. Right. So I will solve this question. The average age of 12 players of a cricket team is decreased by 2 months, it seems. Okay, when two of them aged 17 and 20 are replaced by two reserves, the average age of the reserves is, now I'll take like this, number of players as 12. Now their simple average age, I will take it as some x. Now what happened, sum will be how much more? 12 into x. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 12x. Now closely observe there, 12x is the total sum of the 12 players, plus you have removed a person of age 17, you have removed a person of age 20, and you have added two reserves of same age into 2r. Now there will be no change in number, 2 decrease, 2 increase, so automatically 12 will be. Now see here, now the average is decreased by 2 months. Now convert this into years, that will be very helpful to calculate. Months I have done into years. Now this is very easy to calculate. Am I right? So can I write down like this, 12x minus, this is how much, 37 plus 2r divided by 12, and I can write down this as 12x minus 2 divided by 12. Am I right? So 12 gets cancelled. This 12x and 12x gets cancelled. Now see here, this 37 goes to right hand side, which become plus 37, which is 35. So r will be how much? 35 by 2. Can I write down this as 2? 17 2s are 34. 17 1 by 2. 17 1 by 2 is nothing but 17 years 6 months. Is it clear? Now I am using the same basic concept. Simple average is equal to sum of terms divided by number of terms. Apart from that, I am not using anything there. Done. Very good. Right. Now let's start using alligation rule. Right now. So you can solve this question with normal average method, and you can solve with this alligation rule also. I will show both the things. Use as per your choice. Now they go. Alcohol cost rupees 350 per liter. I'll take this as alcohol. Alcohol will cost you rupees 3.50 per liter. It is very cheap, right? Now, kerosene will cost you 2.50 per liter. In what ratio these should be mixed so that resulting mix. Now see here, you have mixed alcohol, you have mixed kerosene, and you have formed a mixture here. Now this mixture cost is 2.75 it seems. Right. Now by alligation rule, please calculate this. Now below 3.50 minus 2.75 is nothing but 0.75. Now here this value is higher. Is it 0.25? Now simplify this. This is 1. This is 3. Now see here, you have mixed alcohol in one part. You have mixed kerosene in 3 parts and means 3 liters. Is your answer 1:3? I have done with simple alligation there. Now if you don't know to use simple alligation, you have to use your weighted average only. Ab dekho idhar, your total mixture average price is 2.75, which is equal to, you have mixed alcohol 3.50, you don't know how much it is, x1. Now 2.50 into x2 divided by x1 plus x2. Now if you solve all those things, you will get answer, and you will take more than 2 minutes to solve this entire things. You can solve by this way also. Alligation rule will be very helpful. I will show you how to solve these things. Now your option is 1:3. I think I am clear. Yes or no? Shall I go on to the next question? Yes. Now see here, this is the question asked. In what ratio must rice at 6.20 per kg? Now let us take R1 quality of rice is 6.20 per kg. Hi Karan, Ramlala. To be mixed with another type of rice R2 7.20 per kg, so that the mixture be worth 6.50. Now when you closely observe there, your mixture price is 6.50. Now observe here ma, you can easily guess whether you are doing it right or wrong. Now see here, this round of value must be your average value. Am I right or wrong? This is what we have seen in alligation rule. Y is nothing but average. So average must be in between extremes only. Now 6.50 minus 6.20 will be 0.3. Now here this is 0.7. Am I right or wrong? So at last the ratio will be 7:3. Now you have to make 7 kgs of first quality and 3 kgs of second quality. Yes, sir. Very good. So try to use in the next question the alligation rule. Array, yeah, this is little bit higher one. So I will explain this question. Next question you have to solve it. Now you have to know little bit of profit and loss here. I will explain in a simple basic. Now see here. Now you have a soap manufacturing industry. Now you have manufactured a soap. Now, so what will be the cost price of the soap? Whatever the money that you have taken out from your pocket will be your cost price. Am I right or wrong? So see here, I will take my cost price as 100%. Now this is what my value. Now when will you get profit? Now if you sell above cost price, you will get profit. Am I right or wrong? Now when will you get, if you sell below cost price, you will get loss. Now see here, is now in the upper scenario, is this your selling price? Selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. This is what you will get back. Now in the second scenario, what will you get there? See here, selling price is equal to, am I right or wrong, cost price minus loss. This is the formulas that you will observe in your textbooks. Am I right? Now closely observe there, whether your profit, whether your loss, you are speaking only on the base of your cost price. Am I right or wrong? On the base, on the cost price base only, you are saying that whether you got profit, whether you got loss. So profit percentage, how will you calculate your profit percentage? As you said, based on the cost price, I will calculate my profit into 100. Even my loss percentage, I will calculate based on the cost price, right? This is the logic behind it. Don't go with selling prices, into 100. Now this is the simple concept of profit and loss in 1 minute. Right? Now see here, I will solve right now the question there by alligation rule only. Don't worry about it. Two liquids are mixed in the ratio 5 is to 3. Already they are given that their mixing ratios are also given. By selling the mixture at 12.25 liter, the selling price of the mixture is 12.25 per liter, it seems. A profit of 16 2 by 3 percentage is obtained. Now, can anybody say how much is 16 2 by 3 in fraction? We have done in percentages. Is it 1 by 6? Yes, perfectly. Now, closely observe there, your cost price, you are taking it as 100 percentage. Now, my 100 percentage can also be written as 1. Yes, this is 1. Now, plus how much is my profit there? Is it 1 by 6? Yes, it is 1 by 6. Now, by adding this together, I will get my selling price. Now, my selling price is how much, ma? Is it 7 by 6? Yes, perfectly, it is 7 by 6. Now, closely observe there, this 7 by 6 value is given as 12.25. Now, find out the cost price. Cost price value is nothing but 1. Calculate this and you will get 10.5 upon calculating this for sure, because 7 ones are 752, 7 sevens are 49, fine. 1.75 into 6 will be 10.5 only. Right. Why I am doing this, I will show it. If the first liquid cost, this is cost price given there, rupees 4 per liter more than the second. 4 per liter more than the second. So I will take down like this. This is my second liquid. This is my first liquid. Now let us take my first liquid is X rupees. Now my first liquid will be how much? X plus 4 rupees. Now this X and X plus 4 are nothing but cost price. These are given in cost price in the question. Now when you mix these two, automatically your mixture must be cost price only. When you are mixing two cost prices, your mixture must also be cost price. So that's why you have find out the cost price there. What is the cost price there? Please let me know. 10.5. Done. Very good. Now closely observe there by alligation rule, right? This value is higher, that you can easily observe there. X plus 4 minus 10.5 is X minus 6.5. Now this value is higher, 10.5 minus X. Now when you closely observe there, first liquid is mixed in how many parts? This is given in the question itself, 5 parts. Now second liquid is mixed in how many parts? Is it 3 parts? Yes. So by this, what is given there? 5 is to 3. Matlab, this value is equal to 5. This value is equal to 3. Am I right or wrong? So I can write down like this. 10.5 minus X is equal to 5. And observe here, X minus 6.5 is equal to 3. Now crisscross this, you will get the answer there. 3 into 3 5s are 15, 1 31.5 minus 3x is equal to 5x minus 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32.5. So upon crisscrossing this, you will get 8x is equal to 32.5. Is it 64? Yes. And your x value is how much? 8. Suraj have given me the answer as C, but it is not answer C. So your x value is 8. Now your x plus 4 value will be 12. Now what is the question asked there in the question? What is the price of the first liquid? X plus 4, and your option number D. This is your answer. Prakash, it will be started by 18th January. Prakash. D Satvik D. अरे यार बोलो x value is 8, x plus 4 value will be 12. क्या हुआ? D option, D for donkey. Okay, right. So see here, I have done this question. Now I will be giving you the same question. Let us know how many can solve this. So I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this question. Same question, right? I have just changed the numbers there. That's it. Let us see how many can solve this. From 18th January, I am going to start again foundation course on Plus Prakash. You can join there if you wish. Thank you. Now from Monday, I am going to start verbal ability. So those who are aiming for different examinations, I am starting from simple basic. Now the link is given in the comment section box, pinned in the comment section box. Click it and enroll for it. Unlock the class using my code NLN10. Okay. And share with your friends the link also. Sanjana, Suraj, Satvik. It's Monday 12:30 noon exactly. You can watch it later also by unlocking the class. Don't worry about that. Any answers? Same question. I have not changed a single bit from the previous one and the present the same question. Satvik, any answers? Now they got two kinds of rice are mixed in the ratio of 2:3 and sold at 44 per kilogram, resulting in a profit of 10%. If the cost price per kilogram of smaller quantity, now I'll write smaller quantity as SQ. Smaller quantity price is 25 rupees it seems. Then what is the price for larger quantity? Larger quantity you don't know the price and which you call it as X. Now you have mixed this together. Now closely observe there, these are cost prices, right? Am I right or wrong? Cost price is given there. So your mixture must also be cost price. Yes, Satvik, very good. It is 50. So this must be also your cost price. When you are mixing two cost prices, your mixture must also be cost price. Now here, the selling price is given as 44. And see here how much did you, I can write down like this. My cost price, I will take it as 100 percentage. Now closely observe there, profit is given as 10 percentage. Now the selling price is given as 44. Now selling price is nothing but 44. Now 44 is given as 110 percentage. Now what is your 100 percentage value? Is it 40? Yes, perfectly. So your cost price of the mixture is 40. That's an easy one. Now see here, by alligation rule, 40 minus 25 is 15. Now see here, automatically the x value must be higher, x minus 40. Now everybody know the smaller quantity is mixed in two parts and the larger quantity is mixed in three parts. So I can write down like this, x minus 40 is given as 2 and 15 is given as 3. On Satvik have given me the answer. So 3 ones are 3 fives are crisscrossing this 5 twos are 10. Minus 40 becomes right hand side plus 40. So your x is equal to how much? 50. And your D option is your answer. Same question, same format. There is no change in this. Done. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the previous question asked in 2015 GATE examination only. So let's see how, this is a very easy question. Now, gold is 19 times as heavy as water. Now, gold is given there and gold is 19 times as heavy as water it seems. And copper is given there. Copper is 9 times as heavy as water. In what ratio these should be mixed so that the mixture may be 15 times as heavy as water? Not more than 10 seconds you need to solve this question. 19 minus 15 is 4. 15 minus 9 is 6. So it is 3:2. Am I right or wrong? 2 3s are 2 2s are. So your answer is 3 is to 2. Am I right? That's an easy one, right? Now let us little bit increase our toughness here. Now observe the question given there. So I will explain this question. Next question must be solved by you. Right. One alloy contains silver and copper. Now see here, silver is to copper ratio is given there. In 5 is to 1. Let us take this alloy as A. And the another alloy contains silver and copper in the ratio of 7 is to 2. What weights of the two must be melted together so as to make a 5 lb mass with 80% silver. Now these two alloys are mixed to make a mixture alloy. In this mixture only silver is given there. Now observe here only, so out of 100 80 is there, means 4 by 5. So this mixture, you know, out of 5 parts 4 parts is silver. Now देखो, you cannot damn surely say the remaining part is copper only. An alloy contains 2 or more alloys also. So convert these entire things into silver parts. So totally there are 5 is to 1, matlab 6 parts. In this 6 parts, silver is 5. Now come to here, change this. Out of 9 parts, 7 parts is silver. Now you can crisscross this easily and then find out the answer there. 4 by 5 is 0.8. 5 by 6 is how much? 0.8 more than this. So 5 by 6 minus 4 by 5. Now here 7 by 9 is lower value. So 4 by 5 minus 7 by 9. Now you can calculate like this. So see here, 5 9s are 45. So 9 4s are 36. Minus here 5 7 5s are 35. Now here again 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25, 6 4s are 24. Now here how much will be left over? 1 by 45. Now here how much? 1 by 30. At last the ratios will be 30 is to 45. 30 is to 45 is nothing but how much? 15 2s are 15 3s are. So is this your A option there? Did you got the same answer there? So if you convert the things into known value which you have known in the question, right? Don't confuse regarding this. That will be very easy. 2 is to 3 is your answer. How many of you got the same answer there? Yes, Satvik got the same answer. So alligation rule is a powerful tool. So where you can use it in profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, time, speed, distance, right? So let's see the next question that you have to solve it. So I will be giving you 1 minute for this. 1 minute is enough, I think so. Let's see how many can solve this. So 2 more questions, I will end the topic. I'll end the class, right? Don't worry. So I will be continuing with averages with number series also. In the coming classes, we will see more number of questions. Satvik have given me the answer as C. What about the remaining persons? What is the question? One alloy of metal contains 90% copper and 10% tin. So let us take this alloy as A. Another alloy contains 93% copper and 4% tin. So 90 plus 10, here 100% happened there. Here 93 plus 4, 97 it seems. So what about the remaining 3%? You don't know about that. If there are mixers, so that the mixture may contain 9% tin. You know about the mixture 9% tin. So let us focus on tin only, right? So see here, in A alloy 10% tin is there. In B alloy 4% tin is there. Now when you mix these two alloys, the mixture contains how much? 9% tin. So focus on these things. Why to worry about the other things, right? We don't know about the remaining things. By alligation rule, this will be 1, this will be 5. So 5 is to 1 is your answer. Yes, Jagadish, very good. Done as simple as possible. Now this is the question asked in 2018 examination for mechanical electrical wala. Get 2 marks question. So 10 seconds. Done. So let's see one more. Oh, देखो here. Now when you closely observe the question, you say this question has profit and loss, but I will not do with profit and loss. I will do with allegation rule only. If you do with profit and loss, automatically it takes more time. Now see, a trader bought a cow and an ox for rupees 1500 and sold the cow at 12% gain and the ox at 8% loss. Now see here, he sold the cow at 12% gain. Matlab, above the cost price, this 12% is nothing but above the cost price, above 100%. Alright, now he sold the ox at 8% loss means this 8% is nothing but below 100%. Is it nothing but minus 8? Am I right or no? You cannot take both values as positive for profit and loss. On the whole, he neither gained nor lost, it seems. Ab dekho yaar, on overall, when he clubbed together at the end of the day, if you check, he didn't get profit or loss, it seems. By allegation rule, 12 minus 0 will be 12. So minus of minus 8, 0 minus of minus 8 will be 8. So at last the ratio will be 2:3. Am I right or wrong? 2:3. Ab dekho, you got this one. Cow is to ox ratio is nothing but 2:3. Now you know one thing. Cow plus ox you got at 1500 rupees. Now you add this 2 plus 3, that is nothing but equal to 5 parts value is equal to 1500. Am I right or wrong? So one part value will be how much? Is it 300? And you are asked to find out cost price of the cow, means 2 parts value. 2 parts value will be how much? Will it be 600? Yes, perfectly 600. Yes, Jagdish, very good. Done as simple as possible. Arey yaar, dekho. Now, this is the question that was asked in simple interest and so when you closely observe there, the question is simple interest and compound interest. But there is no need to use simple interest or compound interest formulas here. Now, I will show you how to solve it. A merchant lent out 1000 rupees in 2 parts. Let us take this 2 parts. So see here 1000 rupees are there in my pocket. So I have break down into 2 parts, x and 1000 minus x. So this x rupees I gave it 8% interest rate. This 1000 minus x I gave it 10% interest rate. Now when I club this together, at last finally at the end of the year, how much did I got? 9.2 percentage. Am I right? Yes. So by allegation rule, 9.2 minus 8 will be 1.2. 10 minus 9.2 will be 0.8. Now the ratio will be how much? Is it 2:3? Yes. So x party x is to 1000 minus x is nothing but equal to how much, ma'am? 2:3. Now when you add this together, 5 parts is equal to 1000 and you are asked to find out the amount lent at 8%. Is it nothing but 2 parts value? Now Sanjana have given me the answer there. Yes, very good. 5 ones are 5 200s are, and at last finally your answer is 400. Is it clear how I am solving it? Are you getting my points there? Is it clear? Now for Monday's class, you have to solve this question. A trader had 100 kgs of rice, a part of which he sells at 20%. Right? Yes, Uday, very good. See this question. Now see here, some 4 to 5 questions like this one, second one, third question. Now these 3 questions you have to solve and come to the Monday's class. Right? And I will forward the PDF to the groups. You can try the remaining questions also. So I will solve the questions in the next class. I think I am clear up to now. I got many questions now. We are at 40th slide. I got the questions up to 51 slides. Have you any doubts up to now? Now see here, those who want to download the notes, please join this Telegram group. All the other Telegram group links are in the description. You can join as per your choice. Creatrix, Mechanical, Civil, CSIT, everything is there. I will forward the notes to all the groups. Right? Now, see here, many were asking me for RRP SSC non-tech videos, geography, history, right? In this channel, you will get the entire things, right? Anurag Singh sir is dealing at the best. So for those who are preparing for ESC and those who need free resources, I have done complete ESC prelim syllabus right from ethics, ecology to project management, every topic I have done on Createx, I have done on a mechanical channel. Go through this channel. Those who are sincerely preparing for SSC, JE, Kemendra sir is doing the best there. Go for this. And those who want technical videos for placement training, right? C, C plus, Java, .NET, right? So go through this channel, right? You'll get the best there. And coming Monday, right? The link is there. Join, unlock the class using my code NLN10. Let's meet Monday 12:30 noon sharp to see English. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And those who want to subscribe for GATE and ESC, right? For any course on Unacademy, you can use my code NLN10 where you will get 10% discount. Yes, and these are the course fees for plus, and these are the course fee for iconic 45,225 after 10% high. Thank you, thank you, Suraj. Right. Thank you, and let's meet tomorrow. I mean Monday, 6:15 p.m. sharp. On Monday, let's continue this topic. I will show you how to solve number series and all those things with the things. Yes, thank you.